In Texas, state officials are suing drug maker Pfizer over the effectiveness of the company's COVID-19 vaccine. A Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton, says Pfizer misrepresented how well its vaccine worked. He argues Pfizer based their claims of 95% effectiveness on a metric which the FDA says is misleading. Now, Paxton also accuses Pfizer of trying to censor public discussion about the vaccine. Pfizer has not commented on the lawsuit. With respiratory viruses cases rising across the nation, the new head of the CDC made an appearance on Capitol Hill. Fox's Jared Halpern has the story.
As cold and flu season ramps up, the new head of the CDC gets tough questions from lawmakers on Capitol Hill. Dr. Mandy Cohen facing off against Republicans on the House Energy Committee, many of whom remain deeply skeptical of the CDC's mission after strong political disagreements erupted during the COVID outbreak.
Even though we want CDC and our health community to give us the data and the science, that did not always appear to be the case.
Transparency is very important to me, and I'm working hard to make sure that we can collaborate with many partners.
Right now, the main focus is on avoiding a dangerous triple-demic of flu, COVID, and RSV during the cold winter months. Of the three viruses, parents have been mostly focused on RSV. There are now about 8,000 new cases every week. That is up more than 33% from just 2 weeks ago. But the RSV vaccine recommended by the CDC is in short supply, which some Democrats say is the fault of Republicans.
The Republican majority has actively opposed strengthening public health and failed to use the lessons learned to better position America to respond to a future health emergency.
But Cohen says COVID, not RSV, is the virus to watch, with more than 15,000 hospitalizations and 1,000 deaths every week.
COVID is still the respiratory virus that is putting the most number of folks in the hospital and taking their lives.
Senate Republicans introduced a bill on Thursday called the End COVID Tyranny Act, giving Congress greater oversight over the CDC. In Washington, Jared Halpern, Fox News.